replace the top knob for the larger belt pulley. And this assembly will mount into the same T-slots that the top tool rest did. Just drop it down, slide it into place. Snug it up. To mount a belt, just push the tensioner and turn it clockwise. It's keyed so it'll stay at an in position, which will allow you to mount your abrasive belts. Now the first time you sharpen a knife on this system, it's critical that you draw a burr at the cutting edge. That way you're matching the geometry to this system, which is 27.5 degrees per bevel, to the knife blade. Each subsequent sharpening will go much faster and you'll only need to use the fine grit belt. But to start, I'm going to use the medium grit belt and draw a burr all the way down the cutting edge of the knife. Just feeling for a burr. I've got a nice burr raised all the way along the cutting edge. Now I can move over to the left side of the knife sharpening guide and do the same number of strokes so they grind a nice even bevel on each side of the knife blade. Once I've done that, I can progress up to the finer grit belt that's going to hone a nice sharp edge on my knife. Now once I've drawn the burr and worked both sides of the bevel using the coarse or medium grit belt, then I can go side to side using the fine honing grit belt at 3600 grit. Now we've got a nice razor sharp knife, and it only took just a few minutes. Now you can also pull your knife blade through this way also. If you prefer that the belt go away from your cutting edge on both bevel, you can simply, staying on the right hand side, go down and then up. It gives you a similarly sharp edge, whichever your preference. Now if you have a knife that has serrations halfway up the blade, such as this one, the serrations sharpen a little bit differently. We actually want to sharpen just the back side of the serrations using the right hand side of the belt guide. You do not want to use the left side because the serrations may cut the belt, because the belt is coming towards you on the left side but moving away from you on the right side. So only sharpen your serrated blades on the right hand side of the knife guide, and it will only take one pass with the fine grit abrasive. And that's all it takes to hone a nice back bevel on your serrations so that they're razor sharp again. Now the front section of this knife will sharpen just the same as a normal knife, and you will need to use both sides. You just want to be careful coming into the left side of the guide that you don't hit the serrations into the belt. Serrated blades or straight blades easily sharpened on the work sharp.